So, good day everyone. I'm Nicola Nawan from Batch 6 and welcome pa sa ating daily devotion with Pastor Russell. So, ang date today is January 16, 2026 and ang pag-uusapan natin na ang concept natin is about the origin of demons. So, nasabi sa Jude chapter 6, NIV, and the angels who did not keep their positions of authority but abandoned their proper dwelling, this he has kept in darkness, bound with everlasting chains for judgment on the great day. So, teachings number 1. So, demons follow Satan in rebellion. So, dito is parang hina-highlight that in Christian or evil spirits or demons are understood to have aligned themselves against God by following Satan's rebellion against divine authority. So, dito is parang nasabi that many sermons or spiritual teachings ay yun yung idea that the spiritual positions isn't random but it has a focus on the source. So, number 2, demons fight against God's people. So, demons are often described as antagonists towards believers. So, not just in a physical sense, but spiritually through temptation, fear, discouragement, or deception. Number 3, demons fall under God's authority. So, despite opposition, the core Christian believes that God's sovereignty is supreme. So, even over rebellious spiritual forces. So, encourage the believers aren't powerless, but God's authority places limits on anything demonic. Applications number 1, fear no one but God alone. So, dito sa application na to is parang tinuturo that Christians are encouraged to trust God's protection and not be paralyzed by fear. So, whether fear of people or fear of unseen spiritual forces. Number 2, fix your eyes on Christ's victory. So, dito is parang tinuturo or sinasabi niya apply na mag-focus on hope that what Christ accomplished spiritually. So, victory over evil. So, it's more real and powerful than any threat. So, number 3, focus on your status in Christ. So, dito is parang ina-emphasize that your identity and about confidence. So, believers or us, the Christians, are called to remember who they are in Christ. So, loved, protected, and secure. So, not defined by fear or spiritual attack. So, that's all po for today's daily devotion. Thank you po sa pakikinig. God bless us all.